A somewhat confusing ruling tonight from the Missouri Supreme Court could pave the way for Christopher Dunn to be released.
5 on your side's Megan Kernan has been following these late-breaking developments all day, and she's now in the newsroom with updated information on this case. Megan.
Mike and Kelly, within the last few hours, the Missouri Supreme Court released an opinion which took some time for our own legal experts to understand. But here's what we believe it means for Christopher Dunn, who has been behind bars for more than 3 decades for a murder he says he did not commit. Dunn was 18 years old when he was convicted of the murder of Rico Rogers. Last Wednesday, a St. Louis judge vacated the conviction and ordered Dunn to be released. However, he's still locked up in a state prison as the Missouri Attorney General argues he should be able to appeal. Tuesday morning, the Missouri State Conference NAACP, religious leaders, and activists rallied outside of A.G. Bailey's office in downtown St. Louis, calling for his release.
This is political posturing, it's political grandstanding, and that's all that Mr. Bailey is doing right now, and we're here to call him out. We're here to say that it is unjust to keep an innocent man in jail.
On Tuesday afternoon, they may have gotten their wish in a 10-page ruling from the state's highest court. State justices ruled a St. Louis judge had the authority to vacate the conviction, but not to order Dunn's immediate release. Instead, they say St. Louis Circuit Attorney Gabe Gore has jurisdiction to do that. And if he files to drop the charges against Dunn, which is expected, Dunn would be released.
And what do we want? Justice. And when do we want it?
Now. But until that happens, those supporters just have to wait and make their voices heard.
This is a hardship on this family that doesn't need to happen. Right. But he hasn't given up faith because he's looking at all of us advocating for him.
Now, within the past hour, some more good news for Dunn supporters and his family. The circuit attorney filed an official motion saying they will not retry Dunn. That means there are no more hurdles for him to be released. Supporters believe he will arrive in St. Louis later tonight.